Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev, and today I want to show you the latest, really latest, maybe a couple of weeks on the market, Corsair gaming mechanical keyboard with new linear mechanical switches. This is a K70 CORE TKL wireless, because you can find a wired version and wireless version. This one is wireless. One of the main features of this updated version of the keyboard is new Corsair MLX Red linear preloop switch. From one side, this is a good news. From other side, I found a huge question mark, at least for myself, and I will share with you this during the review. First of all, the K70 CORE TKL has a Tenkeyless layout, which means you don't have number pad, and usually you don't need this. And obviously it will save some space for your more wide mouse moves, right? Especially if you are playing FPS or MOBA games, you will understand why it's important. The keyboard itself is solid with ABS double shot keycaps that feel pretty durable, light, and they shine through, and they look pretty sleek. Underneath, Corsair has added dual layer sound dampening. This is a smart move, by the way. Now let's talk about what is inside. So I already mentioned that we have this new Corsair MLX Red version 2 linear mechanical switches, and they are pre-lubricated, obviously for smoother and more responsive keystroke and all of that. And obviously you wouldn't feel any of the, scratches or anything like that. And because this is a gaming keyboard, they're linear, so you don't have this tactile bump or anything like that. But for me, it's a huge surprise that they are not hot swappable. You cannot change them for any other switches. You cannot eject them as a normal mechanical switch. From one side, I understand, 99% of you guys will never do this in any mechanical keyboards, right? It's a little bit scary, I can understand this. But for the mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, this is kind of a half mechanical keyboard. Because if you cannot switch, you cannot mod, basically this is kind of a toy. You have it as is, and you or like it or not. So regarding the RGB, we have enhanced ultra bright per key RGB backlighting, and I can say that it's really bright. And this keyboard can fit into any setup, like whether you prefer like a lot of lighting or you want to have it just, a little bit of white color. You can do whatever you want with this RGB. Okay, so when it comes to wireless connectivity, this is a really game changer, because Corsair brings their Slipstream Wireless 1.5 technology to the table. And what does it mean? Essentially, this is an ultra-fast wireless performance with minimal input lag. If you prefer, more versatile approach, keyboard also support, of course, Bluetooth connection. And from my personal experience, I'm using this keyboard for a couple of weeks. I'm playing different games, obviously no lags whatsoever. Okay, for the gamers, it could be interesting for you guys. Now we have this game mode button, and this switch is optimized the keyboard for, more competitive play mode by reducing input lag and locking out any distracting keystroke, like a Windows key, for example. Basically, it's just switching the keyboard to the best performance possible mode. Okay, from the gaming point of view, all clear. But how this keyboard is sound? Okay guys, you heard the sound, you saw my review, so what is the summary? From one side, if you are a gamer and you are looking for the new toy for your gaming setup, and you're within the budget, obviously yes, because it's a high quality build, it's a well-known brand, all this feature, all this awesome knob and multimedia buttons, all of this plus some special gaming features. So absolutely yes. If you are mechanical gaming or typing enthusiast, rather no, because with this not hot swappable switches, and again, given the budget, I rather look for something else. We have a lot of perfect keyboard right now on the market, so you can check them out. If you are looking for my advice, just check videos on my channel related to mechanical keyboards. If you want to check the price and shopping options, do not forget to check a link in the description down below. If you like this video, please do not forget to smash a like button and subscribe to the channel. You will help me a lot with promotion of this channel, so I will be able to create new reviews for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.